So welcome to WaysOutBack. I just wanted to give you an update on my tow vehicle for my trailer here. So I picked up this Ranger a couple weeks back and I've rebuilt it now. If you take a look on my channel, you'll see everything that had to be done to it. I rebuilt the rear end, the clutch packs in the rear, new shocks got put in. There's also one episode about how I painted that front fender that was smashed up pretty good. Got that from a wrecker, so that's just a rattle can paint job there. That turned out not too bad. And then I also, there's an episode there on how I rebuilt the front end. I have it broken up to upper ball joint, lower ball joint. I put in the torsion keys to lift it. Actually, it lifted it up quite a bit. I think I might lower it down a little bit up front. I'm not 100% sure about that yet. But that's done. Then tune up, clutch fan, PVC valve, that sort of thing. That's all been done. It had a water leak in it, the rear window there. So now that's been resealed. And I did a water test today. It's good. No water leaking in. So that's all good. And so I think we're all set now. I've got a safety book for next week. I'll get the safety done, and then we're going to hit some trails. We're going to go up north. We're going to head to Huntsville there. And I think at the end of this month, we're heading up there to do some Crown Land camping. So that'll be good if you'd like to follow along for that. But that's just a quick update of what's going on and how we're progressing. So thanks for watching. Here's the engine, pretty stock, not much changed here. But the one thing I did do is I put a side mount battery in there because I found with the body lift, it lifted it so high that to try and get the cables on the top of the battery, it just was not working. It stretched them all out and it was frayed, and so this makes it so there's lots of cable here. It needed a new battery anyways, so I just got a side mount and put some universal connectors on there. Fixed that up. So a little bit of a teaser too of what's to come. I picked up one of these lunchbox lockers for the front end, and I'll document how I put that in, how it drives with it after it's in. This has got the full-time hubs in it, so I'm not exactly sure how it'll drive, but I think as long as the four-wheel drive's not in, it'll be fine. Anyways, that will be coming up, so stay tuned for that.